a forest, there were both farm animals and wild animals. One day, they decided to have a race. The cow and the tiger participated in the race. There were also a giraffe, sheep, fox, reindeer, bear, elephant, pig, deer, lion, and other animals as the audience. The race began. While the tiger was jumping and running, it tripped over a rod and fell down. Watching this, the cow also hit the gate and fell down.
Oh no!
After getting up, the cow started running again quickly. The cow and tiger jumped from one ramp to another. The tiger kept running ahead, but the cow fell into the water. The cow shouted, "Help! Help!" loudly.
Huh?
Then the pig brought a boat and helped the cow reach the shore. The cow got up and started running again. When the tiger saw a pile of hay, it stopped to eat.
Wow!
Meanwhile, the cow ran fast and reached the finish line. The cow, jumping with joy, reached the destination.
Oh no!
Oh shit!
All the animals cheered and congratulated the cow.
Yahoo!